Hey guys, Cody here, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channels. In this video I'm actually gonna show you guys how to get more views on the videos you upload on your YouTube channel, and I hope this video does give some inspiration to you. So guys, please watch the entire video since these tips will help you make your videos get a lot of view. If you want a lot of view in your videos, then you should watch this video and follow the points I'm about to present to you. With that out of the way, let's get started. So my first tip is to have longer videos on your channel, and this is because YouTube actually prioritizes watch time and watch hours. So if you have a long video, let's say 10 minutes, and people watch the entire video, which is hard, and if they do so, then you will actually get prioritized by YouTube company, get suggested, recommend it to other people, and that will gain your views since you'll end up on the homepage of people's YouTube. And people are very likely to click the video from there. So please just try to make people watch the entire video just like I did in the beginning. If you watch my entire video, it will really help me out, just like someone helping you out right now. Or if you have other strategies, like keep them engaged, come up with surprises, and there is also a lot of strategies on how to do that. My second tip is to have better thumbnails. Since you want people to actually be clicking your videos. If someone searches up a video or a keyword, and they find a lot of different videos, then they're actually more likely to click on the video that has a compelling thumbnail. They know that if the video has a good thumbnail, then the creator actually takes time into the video onto all aspects of the video, include making the thumbnail as good as possible. And if the tumbling is good, then people think that the content is good too. So that's a very good tip, that is, you should create compelling thumbnails that really takes people's attention to your video. My third tip is actually doesn't relate to the video, it does relate to the key or the keywords in the description. Descriptions are actually very important in the algorithm of YouTube. So you want to have good descriptions that people actually read. But they don't really have to read it. If you have a good description, then YouTube will know that. It is cause it is long and has keywords, and you're more likely to rank in the search results and get suggested. So in your description, try use the right keywords to be found in search. So if people searches out, let's say a gaming video, then you want to get into the viewer's mind and think about the words that they would be searching for, and then you want to include those words in your description, in your title, and in your tags as well. You also want to add a subscribe link, since that will help you get more subscribers that will continue watching your videos. Actually, I had prepare a link for you. In the description below, copy the link that I have. This link will drive people to your page, and then a pop-up will say subscribe, and it kind of makes them know either choose to subscribe or not to subscribe. And most people are very likely to click subscribe. So copy that link, and don't forget to enter your own channel URL into the link as well. So go ahead and use that tip. It's very valuable. My fourth tip is to get at least 50% view duration on your videos. So as I said in our first tip, it's very important that you get your viewers to watch a long part, or a large portion of the video, and if they watch more than 50%, then you have really good duration, and if you have good duration, you'll get prioritized by YouTube. So it kind of relates to my first tip to try to make people watch at least 50%. And a way you can do that is to provide content that's not boring. If content is boring, they're likely to click away from the video after the first 10 or 20 seconds. So you'll try to make the video very not boring and very exciting to keep people just continuing watching your video. My next tip is to respond to every comment you get on your videos. Like me. You're probably also a small YouTuber that get around like 10 to 20 comments a video. And if you respond to every comment, not only will you get more comments on your videos, but you will actually build a community with your subscribers or viewers, and if you respond to your comments, they'll know that you actually do care about them, and they're more likely to stick around to watch more of your videos. And probably even subscribe to your channel. So go ahead and just respond to every single comment. And another tip on the description is to use YouTube hashtags. Since hashtags actually help you rank, and if you rank you get more views. So try to write the hashtags related to what your video is about. And if you have, then YouTube will knows that what your video is all about, and you're more likely to rank on that keyword. For my last tip, you could also add in timestamps at the descriptions. These will help people to navigate around your video. If a video is long, then people will truly appreciate timestamps. Some people don't have a lot of time to watch the entire video, so if you have a timestamp, then people instead of clicking away from your video, since they can't find what they're looking for, they might find your timestamps in the description, and then they can click on those timestamps, which will still gain you a lot of duration on your video. So that's a good tip that you should be using. So that's actually my tips for this video. I'm happy that you stick till the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.